At the theater. Today we're gonna go to the festival.
Yan.
Go na,
So today,
go na.
pumunta kami sa festival ng lugar namin dito sa Shinarashi. Ayan, si
Hello,
Kenji.
I'm Kenji.
How old are you now? Alright, 3 years old. Yeah. Okay, let's go now. Ayan ha. Yan si Kenji. No, Kuya is already down. Yan. Be careful hold on to the rails. So yan. Autumn ngayon dito sa Japan. Kaya medyo malamig na mainit. Ganyan, mix. Today is Saturday. Yan, ang ating day off. Yan, maganda yung panahon ngayon. Masarap lumabas, Yan ang aking panganay. Akiyo, say hi! Say hi!
Daddy, I carried one.
Yeah. So ito nga pala yung service namin. Yan. Ilang years na namin gamit to. So yan, matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-video. Mag-video tayo ulit. No need na. Yan. No need to bring that introduce yourself, Pia. What's your name? Say to the
My
people.
name is Kenji.
No. Say.
My name is Aki-sensei.
Yeah, how old are you now? How old are
2
you?
years old.
No. How old are you?
6 years old.
No, 5.
5 years old.
Yan. So let's see the big. Yan, pupuntahan namin yung doon, yung malaking statue. Let's go there. Let's see the big the big statue. Yan, lalagay muna natin to dito. Let's go there. Let's go to the big statue. Yan. Dahil meron daw festival ngayon. Ano nangyari sa sapatos mo? Let's clean, let's clean.
Daddy, there's something there.
Wait.
Daddy, there's something there.
So yan yung mga puno na pagsisimula na maglagas. Let's go. So yan, pupuntahan namin yung statue. Kenji, come here. They will move now, kuya. Let's go. Let's walk. Come here. No need to ride the bike. Come here. Put your bike there. Yan. Come here, Kenji. Ayan na. Sinimulan na nilang i-move. Come here. We will go with them. Kuya, come here. So yan. Itatry namin yung festival ng Japan. Itatry namin itatry namin sumali. Try namin jumoy. Okay, Kenji, come here. Ah,
自転車大丈夫？まだ。OK。
you can ride there inside, but later just
大丈夫。 よし、かいちゃん大丈夫だ。はい、よし、オッケー。はい、よし、行くよ。はい、
じゃあ右ですか
今度振るよ。頭振るよ。コンクリート道路に振るよ。
So yan, tingin ko pwede silang sumakay dyan mamaya. Let's go. I think we can ride there.
危ないからね。もうちょっとしたら乗れるよ。
Oh, come here. Just wait here only. Stop here. So yan. Ito yung tradition nila na festival dito sa Japan. Ano lang to, hindi to festival ng buong Japan, sa ano lang namin, sa lugar lang namin, kumbaga barangay. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, barangay. So yan si Kenji. Say hi Kenji. Kenji. Kaya. Let's go. Let's follow the ano. So yan, may para silang cart na ganyan na napapasakay nila yung mga bata, tapos iikot nila.
これ持ってる。
Siyempre, GoPro.
押すの？このままでいいの？何もしてないよ。何もしてないよ。大丈夫？はい。はいはいはいいいね。はい。
Akiyo. Walk. So yan, first time nila ita-try. Oh, you can ride now. Just wait, ha? They will say if you can ride already. So yan. Fall in line. Akiyo, hold the rope. Kenji, hold the rope. There, over there. Mai. In front. They said in front. Kenji, in front. Oh, hold ah. Akiyo, hold here. Kuya, hold from here. Hello. Ah, ganun. Kuya, move from here. Move from here. Move from here. Move there. Move there. Move there. Move. Akio, don't pull like that. Noreru means you will ride. Noreru. Oh. They said ride. Go there na. Go at the back. Ride. Ride at the back. Oh, go Kenji, go. Kuya, go with. Kuya, Akio, come here. Go. Kuya. Go. Oh, be careful, ah. Say hi, Kenji. Akio.
まあ途中でまた降りてもいいけどね。もう一回あの角まで行くからね。はい乗って。はい子供を乗って。お母さん乗っていいよ。
Akio.
見て。
Kenji. Don't touch Kuya. That's a pool.
じゃあちょっとね方向の太陽が当たる方を正面にしますから。
Kenji. Hold, Kenji, hold.
But I swear that I'm a leave them with you is a risk, and it's not meant to be easy.
Aray.
Then I did. Yeah. Then I did before, and I just can't let you go. I swear I tried to.
Akio, say hi. Hold down. Kenji.
And you never really say what you wanted from me, baby. But I know what you want. Yeah, I know what you want. No, I won't let you go. Then I did. Yeah. Then I did before. And I just can't let you go. I swear I tried to. I can't let you go. I swear I tried to. You know I tried to.
あそこで固まるから。
Oh, say hi. Una. Kenji! Kenji! Hold proper yeah.
Riding with you, baby. And though it's been a lately, it's not meant to be. See, it's not meant to be. But I swear that I'm not leaving. What you need is a reason. It's not meant to be. See, Then I did.
Say hi.
Then I did before. And I just can't let you go.
So yan, first time namin trinay na sumali sa ganito. Kaya makipag-participate siya. Parang fiesta dito sa ano namin sa lugar.
そしたらさ、その辺で一回
Baby, but I know what you want. Yeah, I know what you want.
上がるよ。
No, I won't let you go. Then I did. Yeah. Then I did before. And I just can't let you go. I swear I tried.
Ito pala yung lugar namin dito sa Japan. Kuya Kiyo! Kuya Kiyo, no ride!
あとはね、小学校にね、これ、大人で持ってくから、順番でね、みんな降りてください。学校行ったらまた乗ってもいいよ。
Yeah. Get your juice there, oh. Get juice. Get juice, Kuya. Go down and get your juice. You have free juice, oh. Be careful, ah. Oh, get your juice. Oh, drink it.
ビールもある。ビールもあるそうです。
So yan, may free na juice. Meron ding beer. Yo. Ha? Okay.
And you never really say what you wanted from me, baby. But I know what you want. Yeah, I know what you want.
Oh, let's go there. Let's go to my bike na. Come here. Okay. So yan, di na kami sumakay. Dito sa may bahay. Kasi nagyaya na sila maglaro. Say hi. Kuya, don't move ah. Someone will go up. Don't move.